How to copy a game on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be talking about copying a game on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and simply go to roblox.com in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will come across to the official website of Roblox, where you have to be logged into your specific account. Now, in order to copy a game on Roblox, you just have to locate the search button in the middle of the screen and type in on copy logged and then hit enter in your keyboard. Here in this page, you will come across various games that can be copied easily. Once you have identified the game you wish to duplicate, simply click on it. For instance, I'm going to go for Battlegrounds project. Subsequently, review the game description first. Assuming everything appears satisfactory, proceed by clicking on the three dots in the right hand side of the screen. And when you click on it, simply select Edit in Studio option. And once you do that, the Roblox will ask you to download the studio if you do not have one. And if you already have a Roblox Studio installed, you can download it from this location and proceed with the installation. Following the installation, you can modify the game within your Roblox Studio, allowing you to enjoy playing the game as if it were your own creation. So that wraps up this video. We trust that you found this information beneficial. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.